So in this lecture, we will discuss about the orthographic projection of straight line. Actually, line has a two end, and between these two ends, there are a number of points. Okay, but we are not interested to project all these points between two ends, but we are considering only the end points of the line. For example, line AB means A and B are 2 points, end points, and we will do the projection of that 2 points only. Now, projection of line in which the condition of the line are different with reference to HP and VP in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So here let us see the number of cases in projection of line. So the position of the line is parallel to both HP and VP. Second case, when line is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Third case, line parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. The line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Then line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. And line inclined to both the reference plane. So let us see first case when line is parallel to both HP and VP. So let us see. Look at this picture. This is a horizontal plane, vertical plane, and profile plane. So consider this is a first quadrant in which our line AB is located in such a way that the line AB is parallel to HP and parallel to VP both. So here AB line is our main object. And when we observe the object from here, this is the position for front view, and take the projection of line AB on vertical plane. For example, A is one end of the line, so the projection of capital A on vertical plane is A dash, and the projection of B on vertical plane is B dash. So when we join A dash B dash with a straight line, so this line is known as front view of the line. Okay. The length of this line must be true length because line is parallel to vertical plane. Now when we observe from top, so when we observe from top, the projection of line AB obtained on horizontal plane. The projection of point A on horizontal plane is denoted by small a. The projection of point B on horizontal plane, small b. So when we join AB, small ab, we will get the top view of the line on horizontal. The length of this line is also true length because line is parallel to horizontal. So in this way, if you observe the object from left hand side view, suppose this is the position for left hand side view. The projection of A and B obtained on profile plane A double dash B double dash. But at presently we are interested in only the front view and top view. Now we have to incline this horizontal plane 90-degree clockwise and the profile plane 90-degree incline like this. Then three planes VP, HP and profile plane are in a same plane. So the projection obtained on three principal planes, vertical plane, profile plane, horizontal plane looks like this. So here A dash B dash is the front view which is drawn parallel to XY line. So this XY line is actually the corner, the line between the horizontal plane and vertical plane. And the X1, Y1 is the combination where the vertical plane and profile plane intersects. So this is X1, Y1. So front view true length, top view true length on HP and point on the left hand side view. So in general, in our drawing, we do not represents the vertical plane, horizontal plane and profile plane, but just we have to draw one xy line, x1 y1, the projection front view a dash b dash, top view ab, and left hand side view a double dash b double dash. Now once you know the front view and top view, how to draw the side view? xy, x1 y1, this is the intersection point. So from intersecting point, you have to draw one line 45-degree inclined to horizontal, or you can say with vertical. So in this line, we have to extend this projection of top view up to this, and then draw vertical line and extension of horizontal line of front view. So this horizontal and vertical both are intersect at this point. So this is the position for left hand side. Okay. Now, the second case, when line parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So here, this is the position for front view. If line is perpendicular to VP, the front view is point A dash B dash, and the top view of line AB on horizontal plane is small ab. The length of small ab is true length, and left hand side view of the line on profile plane A double dash B double dash. So if you incline this horizontal plane clockwise 90-degree for profile plane, you will get this type of projections: A dash B dash front view, AB top view, which is true length, and left hand side view horizontal line A double dash B double dash. So these are the projections: front view, top view, and side view. By using 45-degree, you can find the left hand side. The third case, when line parallel to VP and perpendicular to H. So in this figure, you can see this AB line is perpendicular to horizontal plane and parallel to VP. So when you take the projection of this line AB on vertical plane A dash B dash, for top view, the projection of line AB on horizontal plane, point AB, and left hand side view, the projection of line AB on profile plane, A double dash B double dash. So by moving the horizontal plane and profile plane 90-degree, you will get this type of projection on 2D. This is front view, top view, and left hand side view representation on this general way. XY, X1, Y1, 45-degree intersections for side. So here why front view is true length? Because our line is parallel to it. Now next case, when the line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So look at this figure. Here our line AB is inclined at theta angle and parallel to VP. The projection of line AB on vertical plane will be A dash B dash true length because line is parallel to VP, and the top view of line AB on horizontal plane small ab, but the length of this top view plan will be less than true length because our line is inclined to horizontal plane. And left hand side view projection on profile plane A double dash B double dash will be side view, and it is also less than true length. So by moving horizontal plane, profile plane, we will get this type of projections: XY, A dash B dash true length, AB top view. Keep in your mind, the front view A dash and top view A both are always in single vertical line. B dash B, front and top view of P, are also in single vertical. This is projections. Now look at one questions regarding last case when line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So your question is, a line PQ 70 mm long is parallel to vertical plane and inclined 30-degree to HP, and point P is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of it. So in this case, first of all, draw one line xy, then draw the projection of point P. P is 30 mm OH and 20 mm in front of VP. So P is in the first quadrant. So first you have to draw P dash and P, front and top view, 30 mm about 20 mm front. Then our line is inclined to H plane parallel to VP. So the front view will be always true length because line is parallel to VP. So draw a line from P dash 70 mm long and locate Q dash. The line should be 30-degree inclined to horizontal line. Now after knowing Q dash, which is a front view of Q, you have to draw one vertical line, and from P draw horizontal line. The intersection point is Q because our line is parallel to vertical plane. So when you observe the front view, our XY line represents horizontal plane, and for top view, this XY line represents the vertical plane. So here front view true length and top view less than true. Now case number 5, when line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So here in this case, our line is inclined at phi angle with vertical plane and parallel to HP. So front view of line A dash B dash on VP will be less than true length, and top view of line on horizontal plane true length because line is parallel to HP. Side view on profile plane is also less than true length. So here front view A dash B dash, top view AB. The top view is inclined 45-degree with VP. And side view line. Now our very important case is case number 6. Line is inclined to both the reference plane, means both HP and VP. So if you incline the line with HP and as well as VP, means line is inclined to both the reference planes. So the front view and top view of this type of line both are less than true length. So how to solve it? So let us see. First, we have to incline the line with HP and then incline to VP. So look at the picture in which our first position of the line AB1, line AB1, which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So the front view of AB1 line on the vertical plane is small a dash B1 dash, and top view of the line on HP AB1, front view, top. These are the representations. First position A dash B1 dash, front view, and A B1 top. Now if we incline this line with vertical plane, then the front view become A dash B dash, front view A dash B dash, and top view AB. So your final A dash B dash and small AB are the projections of the line when line is inclined to both the reference plane. Here in this projections, AB1 is equal to AB. The length of AB1 is equal to length of AB. But here the length of A dash B1 dash is greater than the length of A dash B dash. Now for case number 6, we have to another way. Now another case is when line is inclined to VP and inclined to HP. So this is our line. First position, front view and top view if the projections are shown in here. But if we take the first line AB1 which is already inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Its top view will be AB1 true length and front view A dash B1 dash. Now, when we incline the line with HP, okay, which is already inclined to VP. So the front view become A dash B dash and top view become AB. So here A dash B1 dash is equal to A dash B dash and AB1 is equal to and AB1 which is always greater than AB. Thank you very much for watching this video.